Hello, good day, and welcome to another presentation from us at Budget Consultants Limited. Now, this video is a post Melissa video. Persons who know me know that I live in the disaster zone, so most of the activities that I would have engaged in is either paused or have been affected. So, I am doing this video just to highlight the fact that I am pretty much still around, and I will be doing some videos as it relates to what I have seen and how to approach the expenses surrounding the rehabilitation of many dwellings that I have seen that have damages. Now, many of my customers that I have been affected. For instance, this customer had some land slippage taking place behind her, and this is going to be a major kind of cleanup activity that will have to take place, as well as documentation of works. I also have a customer that has one of the much talked about container homes as a office. Well, the term should be had one of those said container units which have been fully damaged. It's rendered a full loss, as we don't see how this can be repaired in any way. Now, it's very funny that I'm hearing that discussions are going on about using many of these same modular units as homes, when apart from this, I've seen a few of them that actually has next to crumbled under the hurricane force winds. Other areas that I work in have major damage, such as this one, where even large dwellings have either been stripped of their roof. In some cases, even like right here to the left hand corner, I think I can mark it. So that's the right hand corner, sorry. This is a container that was actually flipped over. So it kind of shows that the winds were a bit intense in this area. And other areas had similar damages to their roof. I am not gonna spend the time to go through all of these different houses which roofs have been damaged. I am kind of a solution based person, so I don't want to dwell too much in the negatives that I've seen. Now, my roof has also been damaged too, so I have a little bit of work to do. So that's gonna occupy a little bit of my time, and most of my staff, people that I work with, have sustained damages. So I have to kind of assist them a bit, as well as try to assist myself and wait for certain things to come back on track. So because of that, most construction activity has been paused, and we are scheduled to kind of come back on stream come next week. So what I'll do is I'm going to do some little cost calculations for persons who are actually giving assistance to people as it relates to repair work or home improvement. Now, this is one of my sites that I am expecting some concrete to be cast on. My shed was hit down here also. So, kind of sustain some losses, had cements that went. So, yeah, I am going to be back on this kind of media thing come next week. And I will actually be going off some small units, because I did some videos once that I deleted, but at this present moment, I am being asked for some information related to some conversion of some small dwellings and etc. And I want to do a certain amount of them in the public thoroughfare. That way, I don't have to come from scratch all the while with the same answers. But just doing this video to confirm that myself, my team, and everybody connected to me is pretty much okay. Not perfect, but okay enough. So we are thankful. So I will stream a little bit more often. If not stream, I'll do a lot of videos, because I now have different internet and etc., which I didn't have up to a week ago. So look out for my videos, and I hope to see you again. Have a great day.